We are off, guys. We're off to Ryka'S. Apparently there's only the two of us going, so Mr. Empty boys, and just the two of us. Yeah. What is up, people? It's your boy Filipino Rider UK, and my camera wasn't on earlier, and yeah, today is nice and sunny and we are off to Ryka'S, which is in Dorking, and I am with my Anubis helmet Spider. Shout out. Yeah, how is everyone doing? And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And a big shout out to those people who followed and liked my page, especially Breezy for noticing me. That's just big for me that I got noticed by one of my idols in motovlogging. And thank you so much for noticing me. And yeah, and we are off to Ryka'S. I will see you guys when we get to this fast lane, and we are going there and see what we can do with the fast lane. It's a bit of a hectic ride because there's a lot of cars and everything today. See what we can do. So lovely weather today, guys, and as I mentioned, today is nice and sunny, and there's only two of us going for a ride. All the way to Ryka'S, it's gonna be like a 30-minute drive, 30-minute ride, and then we might go to Box Hill today and see what we can do there. Let's see what we have for today, guys. There's gonna be loads of motorcycles in Ryka'S today because of the weather. And I've seen a lot of photos from the past few days that Ryka'S being packed like since Friday. It's Easter weekend, so yeah, it's kind of like a busy day at Ryka'S, I guess. Sheesh. Gotta go on the left side and wait for my buddy. It's kind of like having a bit of a trouble driving his 1.2s because it's a 125 and I have a 700 with me. Yeah, I got baby midnight here, so let's see if we can catch up. Anyway, told him to put on maps, so I think he didn't because his phone is gonna get drained or something. But yeah, I hope he does catch up because I can't really see him. So where are you, my friend? I am like far away from you and you are not here. Big shout out, guys. Big shout out, big shout out to those people who followed me and to those who like the page. Sorry for being repetitive, but I'm just so grateful that you guys did follow and like my page, and I hope to see you guys always on my vlogs. Yeah, make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button and comment down below, guys. Don't be shy. I will respond to you as soon as possible. I'll be as responsive as anyone else, and thank you so much. So see you guys when I get to the 70 miles per hour lane. Sheesh! Yeah, boy.